Chelsea, what is this thing that you guys have won? This conference league you people have won, that everywhere is just noise. The environment is polluted with noise. As in, this is a trophy that UEFA established to compensate people that are in the 18th and 19th position, and then you guys have won it, and then you are making noise. A trophy that is equivalent to Olympic bronze medal, and you people are making noise. What's so special about it? Let me ask. Making noise as though you won the World Cup, making noise as though you won the Champions League. Like, the noise is everywhere. Like, I don't just get the point. Why? For what reason now? For what reason is this boasting? Even those that won Olympic bronze medal would boast more than you. So I don't understand the noise, what the noise is about. So as an Arsenal fan, it's even better for me not to win anything, to stay on that my second position, that my birthright, than winning Conference League. What do I want to use Conference League for? But what's the essence? What is it doing? What is it going to be doing on my shelf? So it is better for me to stay put in my second position where I belong, my birthright, that's been passed on to me from generation to generation, than winning this Conference League you people are making noise about. Because this Conference League, this thing Chelsea just won, this thing you guys just won, is as good as winning nothing at all.